From profile to finished product, the birth of a high-quality window lies in every rigorous manufacturing detail. In our workshop, each aluminum profile undergoes meticulous pre-treatment, where experienced craftsmen apply sealant evenly by hand and use pneumatic tools to precision lock every screw, ensuring a structural frame that remains stable for years to come. To achieve ultimate sealing performance, we insist on hand-fitting high-elasticity weather strips, guaranteeing superior windproofing, waterproofing, and acoustic insulation. Combined with the precision of automated punching machinery, every lock point and mounting hole is aligned with zero-error accuracy. Beyond technical precision, we conduct multi-stage quality inspections to ensure every joint meets international architectural standards. This commitment to craftsmanship allows us to provide customized solutions that withstand extreme weather while maintaining an elegant aesthetic. From reinforcing the profiles to polishing the final details, we document these interlocking processes to ensure that every window delivered is safe, quiet, and built to last.